Monthly Cash Flow Statement Projection, Tutorial, and Instructions. The monthly cash flow statement is a financial report that indicates the details of the company operations for a specific period of time, in this case, monthly, that influence the company's cash account. Inflows and outflows of cash and details about capital flows are quantified in this statement. The cash flow statement indicates the way in which fluctuations in balance sheet accounts as well as income statement accounts impact cash. The template has a cash flow statement projection monthly detail pasted into the business plan Word document. This statement is taken from the Excel workbook. Users of the Plug and Plan template and its accompanying Excel workbook are welcome to use the sample figures as a guide to create their own statement projections.